What's up, everybody? It is another day. It's Thursday here. I've got to leave in a little bit because I've got a tattoo appointment, but what I've been able to knock out this morning is the fuel tank skid for Sweet Brown 80. I say fuel tank skid. It is the transfer case and transmission skid / crossmember. I almost said fuel tank. But yeah, so cut out the two plates, did a top transmission plate, and then this plate, did them in two pieces just to make it easier. But there we go. We've got filter access. There's our filter access. My head's somewhere today. The drain access right there. And then we've got our transmission bolt access and then the transmission drain hole. Go to the back side here. And there's the back side. It is fully welded up, ready to go. I'm gonna cut some pieces out real quick here and see how they look. So here we go. Preset. Not bad. We grind it up. All right, so here's what I came up with. Kind of like it. There you go. Got that on both sides. Because why not? You know what I mean?